Good morning, students. So, in the last class of SDM Unit 2, we have already discussed the cells, the planning of the cells force and its objectives. So, now we will discuss about what are the techniques or the methods of cells forecasting or the planning. So, let us discussion, that is methods or techniques of cells forecasting or the planning. Students, you know what is the sales forecast? The work of the salesman, which is completely rely on the estimate of the sales. Either maybe the dollar, maybe the rupees, Indian currency, maybe the rupees, maybe the unit, physical unit you can say, or the quantities or the qualities, it always depends, and it is always related to the future periods of the particular marketing programs. Okay, we have to assume as a set of economic and other factors while considering there is while we are using the methods or the techniques of the self forecasting or the plannings. My dear students, it is a procedure that is of estimating how much of the given product can be sold. It is always a targeted things. When we are joining in the marketing job, don't think there is no one will give you a pen and paper to sit on the table and you that is work in the organizations. Definitely you use your techniques, you use your methods, whatever may be, but at the end of the month or at the end of the period or the year ending, we have to, that is, evaluate ourselves. As you fetch to the marketing of, that is to the objective of the organization, as we fulfilled our target, that we have to find it. Then our review should be there. Our review means the salesperson's review must be there. Then performance report will be analysis and everything that goes on. The reward is also there. We have already achieved the targets. And you know, always I have already told, that is the marketing job. कि माने जैसे बोलते हैं कि बड़े वेरी जितना हाई क्वालिटी जॉब होता है, या वी कैन से दैट इज अ रेस्पॉन्सिबल जॉब होता है, या वी कैन से दैट इज इट इज ए वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग जॉब भी हो सकता है. किसी तरह कैसे भी तुम्हें काम को कंप्लीट बनाना तुम्हें चाहिए. And always the organization seeing the qualitative as well as the quantitative. Okay. So my dear students, under these techniques or the methods of the sales forecasting or the sales planning, we can say that is basically when we are discussing, that is two parts. That is one thing, qualitative qualitative methods, and another is that is quantitative methods. In the qualitative method, we will discuss on that is jury of executive opinion. Number two, the Delphi techniques. Number three, all of Salesforce opinion. Four, survey of customers' buying plan. And projection of past sales, then time series analysis, then exponential smoothing, then regression analysis, then econometric model building. My dear students, today we'll start, that is, we'll discuss about the qualitative method. Okay. In the qualitative method, that is, one is the jury of the execution opinion, the Delphi techniques, the poll of Salesforce opinion, and the survey of the customer's buying plan. Let us come to the jury of the executive opinion. What? It is a qualitative forecasting method. It is a qualitative, that is a forecasting method. Mostly it has a two steps. One is making executive estimated probable, and another that is average estimate. Two, high ranking executive estimated, and another that is the average estimate. In दोनों का मेथड में, that is, we can say, that is the jury of the executive opinion. Who is the jury? Who can judge? Who can identify all the things which is be either the planning or the forecasting? It is good to know that you have to find it. In this method, we can discuss, that is the what happened. Companies using the method because of few reasons. One reason I can say, it is very quick and easy to assess. It is very quick and easy to, that is what happened, that is turn out the forecast. कुछ ज्यूरी मेंबर बस बैठते हैं, तुम्हारे साथ बातचीत करके वो लोग तुम्हें पता लगा लेंगे. They can identify the plannings. They can sure fix it to you. Okay, and another, it is a one of the experience and the judgment of well-interested informed people. यहाँ पे जो जूरी में बैठते हैं वो कोई साधारण आदमी नहीं बैठते हैं. साधारण आदमी का वही कर्मचारी, वही that is employees, but they have full knowledge on the sales planning. They have the full knowledge on the sales or the marketing strategies. And with the help of the discussion only, they can decide. Okay? And another, it is a very feasible approach, because if the company is very young and it is not accumulating any expensive to use the forecasting method sometimes, but they can usually use these methods. The methods which will be very, very difficult, other methods are maybe very high costly to them. And the methods is very adequate to that of the sales and the marketing statistics. If some figures or statistical data or something are missing, then it is will not be impact to that of the forecasting, because the jury members are there. The peoples, those who are there, seated, the finding the things which is good or which is bad, not fit, which is reliable or not, or which is unreliable. They are finding, they are deciding everything. They does not ponder about anything on the statistical methods or what may there is the marketing or sales statistic things. They are full in their memory. Okay. So this is that is a few reasons why we are using, that is mostly the jury of the executive opinions. We have to finding the opinions from them, and we can that is using. But even some advantages is there, but some disadvantages is also found from these techniques, from this methods, because it is mostly based on the primarily opinion. The factual evidences is very, very required to support the decisions, which may not be reliable for the company. The things, what are the findings which are based on primarily data, which is an opinion, or the factual evidence what we have, that maybe it is only the sketch means the sketch report only, sketch report, just copied out, but nothing else. There is no new thing or arise from it. That is the one thing you can say. And this approach, it's adding a workload to the key executives, as well as requiring more time, or the time consuming factor we can say. They're using the large amount of the time, okay, and dividing, that is the areas of the mostly the which are the very responsibility for them also. And another things we can say discuss, that the methods is very difficult to break down, mostly the estimate of the probables, that is in case of the sales of the product, or maybe the time intervals, or by the markets, or by customers. It is very difficult to break down, because जो person बैठे हैं, जो jury members, जो elected peoples are there, or even in the case of the customer, no one can break them. No one. The decisions, it is always the decision only. So for this purpose only, sometimes some companies, they are also accepting this qualitative methods. Okay. Another, we will discuss about the Delphi techniques. It is after so many, that is years of these techniques, the research persons, the researchers, the one organization, the rent corporations develop a techniques in order to predict the future sales. That is the Delphi techniques. It is just a new version of this jury of executive opinion. New version. What the demerit they have now, it is with the Delphi technique only they will overcome from it. It is means the giving the opinion or from the expertise, the panel of expertise respond to this of the sequence of the questionnaires by putting the questions, and one have to respond to the one questionnaire which is very will produce to the another questions, and very important to that of the techniques, very important factor to that of techniques by using the questionnaires. Question after question also they can be used, and whatever the necessary informations we got from that of the questionnaire, and that will be the very or it will be disestimated, what we can say, if we are unable to do it. So by finding the questions only, we, or by getting the answers from the questionnaire, we can find or we can judge the sales forecast or the sales for planning, which will be very full to the organization or not. It is mostly on the all available informations. Remember it. It is based on the all available informations, and just like a we'll eliminate the all the thing what like bandwagon effect of the majority opinions that we have to work out. So this is one of the Delphi techniques. It is a very next to that of the, that is jury of the executive, that is techniques. Okay, and another, that is the poll of sales force opinion. In this poll of the sales force opinion, this method is working from the grassroots level. Individuals or personals are forecasting here, and individuals, they are combined, they are modified all the works, and the management should think on it, which will be the necessary for the company. Okay, and they have also this, the poll of sales force opinion, it is always practically or the of the sales manager. Okay, it means what happens, sales, the forecasting responsible to be assigned, who will produce this result with, and okay, and the forecasting and the rest, it is only, that is the experienced sales people only, and though they have to what happen, contribute all the things to that of the techniques. And the merit, there is another merit of this, because it is a having a specialized knowledge in order that the close touch with that is market conditions, as well also they have the building or they are creating the great that is confidence among them. Okay, the method is also very what happen, easy to break down according to the product, territory, customers, and the middlemen and the sales force, what happen, very easily can break down. And it is one of the good, that is qualitative methods also we can say, but beside there is some demerit is also found there. And what are the demerit is? We can say that is what happen, that is not generally from the trained persons, or it is not trained to do the forecast. It is just only influenced by the current business conditions in the territories, maybe the sales force, not only that is collecting the data, actually that is what happened at present only. Okay, and it is another thing we can say, that it is salespersons which tends to be overly optimized, and overly pessimist they also bringing to the prospects. And another demerit is also that it is unaware of this. There is what broad changes that they have taking places in the economics. And also they were away from that of the conditions outside this their own territories also. Maybe that is the what we are that is getting from that of the polls of the Salesforce opinion. सेल्सफोर्स ओपिनियन कहीं पे भी वो बॉम्बे में काम कर रहे वो क्या दिल्ली का स्टाटस बता मार्केटिंग कंडीशन बता पाएंगे बता देंगे तो वो गलत है. दिल्ली का पर्सन दिल्ली में ही अच्छी तरह बता पाएंगे या उड़ीसा का सेल्स पर्सन उड़ीसा में जो है वो अच्छी तरह बता पाएंगे. वी कैनॉट जज एनीवन्स. सेल्सफोर्स का जो पोल होते हैं जो प्लानिंग होते हैं जो भी मेथड्स होते हैं वो that is opinion ले सकते हैं but gradually we can helpful in our creating the marketing or reading to the marketing strategy. It may be the helpful but sometimes it is also meant to be reluctant or meant to be relevant to us. Okay. And another the salesperson is deliberately underestimated on the quotas also some things sometimes and which can be more easily that is reached. Okay. And to sum out whatever may be the weaknesses on these methods are there, but training the salesperson or the sales force in forecasting techniques and the orienting them to factors which are influencing to them or adjusting for the consistency is also passed on the very individual sales peoples. So we cannot ignore all the factors. We have to take the importance of all the things which will be very that is relevant to use all the things. And last, that is the survey of the customer's buying plan. In this, what happened? इंडिविजुअल्स जो कि मार्केटर होते हैं उनका जो अप्रोचेस होता है द कंज्यूमर गुड मार्केटर्स. यहाँ पे कंज्यूमर गुड मार्केटर्स मीन्स मतलब इट इज अ वेरी इजीएस्ट वेयर द पोटेंशियल मार्केटर्स दे हैव कंसिस्टिंग द स्मॉल नंबर ऑफ कस्टमर्स ओनली. ओके. द सर्वे विल टेक. अगर एक टाउन में 1 लाख पीपल से क्या 1 लाख पीपल का सर्वे लेंगे क्या? नहीं. एक जगह को उनको बुलाया जाए 100 पीपल से एस्टिमेट लेकर हमें कर सकते हैं सर्वे लेकर कर सकते हैं. दिस इज वन ऑफ द एस्टिमेट. ओके. स्मॉल पीपल के ऊपर हम सर्वे करेंगे उनके ऊपर डिस्कस करेंगे उनके ऊपर क्वेश्चनर करेंगे इनके ऊपर उनका क्या रीजन फाइंड आउट करेंगे उस हिसाब से कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं कि दैट इज एक एरिया में कितना दैट इज सेल्फ फॉर प्लानिंग हो सकता है सेल्फ फोरकास्ट भी होता है. इट इज आल्सो वन ऑफ द थिंग्स वी कैन से दैट इज द मैन्युफैक्चरर इज आल्सो इज सेलिंग द डायरेक्ट टू द यूजर्स. इन दैट केसेस वी कैन से मैन्युफैक्चरर कैन यूज द प्रोडक्ट डायरेक्ट टू द यूजर्स. इट इज ओनली व्हाट हैपन consistable where the small number of peoples or the customers are available. It is not for the big. And we have to focus on the only geographical areas. Okay. The climatic conditions must be there. The geographical factors you have to consider there. Otherwise we cannot progress to that of the techniques. And it is another one important point. It is very reliable, relatively inexpensive is the survey. Okay. It is because it is collected from a sample of the customers is also, and the estimate is also requirement for the product. It is estimate to one product to another, you can also say, and the result in that of the sales forecast. When you are going to the discussing, because 2 products are available in the market, thereafter we can कंपेयर टू दैट ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट. जैसे देखा थे मैंने टीवी में एक प्रोडक्ट लाएंगे दूसरा प्रोडक्ट भी लाएंगे उसका हम डिफरेंट एस्टिमेट कर सकते हैं, यूज के ऊपर भी, रेट के ऊपर भी, एवरीथिंग बाय डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिंग द प्रोडक्ट. दैट इज ऑल्सो यू कैन गेट इट, वी कैन मेक द सर्वे ऑफ द कस्टमर बाइंग प्लान, कितना बाइंग करते हैं वहां पे एक एरिया में. सो सर्वे it is related to the only need to tampering. It is only survey result mostly tampering by the management only, and management का जो specialized knowledge होता है, उनके जो contemplated changes होते हैं मार्केटिंग प्रोग्राम में, उसको भी हम यहाँ पे इस सर्वे में, that is इस टेक्निक में, क्वालिटेटिव टेक्निक में you can find it. Even when you are going to the survey of the customer buying plan, mostly it is a unsophisticated. ये sophisticated नहीं है. एक कस्टमर को अच्छी तरह पूछ नहीं सकते हैं, डायरेक्ट चार्ज नहीं कर सकते, डायरेक्ट कुछ नहीं कर सकते, जस्ट ओनली रिलायबल, बिकॉज उसका भी कुछ अपना चाहिए है. ओके, उनका जो, और ये अनसोफिस्टिकेटेड मोस्टली फोरकास्टिंग मेथड, एंड रेदर it can be only reliable and sophisticated बना सकते हैं हम. Responded do not only what happen always and well formulated to the buying plans, okay, and the company is using these approaches after a little attention to that of the conditions, and they also debating the minimum to minimum, that is what happen, measuring the all the samplings and the non-samplings errors. जो भी एरर होते हैं वो भी हमें मिनिमम से मिनिमम एफर्ट दे सकते हैं, कंडीशन को अपने रिगार्डिंग कर सकते हैं, या अवे फ्रॉम दैट ऑफ द, वी कैन अवे फ्रॉम दैट ऑफ द, और जनरली वी कैन, जो हमें मिनिमम से मिनिमम जो कि सैम्पलिंग और दैट इज नॉन सप्लिंग एरर्स जो होते हैं ना, उसको रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं. उसे हमें देखना पड़ेगा, मेजरिंग करना पड़ेगा हमारा एफर्ट से, नहीं तो हम कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे. ओके, एंड अनदर मेथड दैट इज व्हाट हैपन, वी कैन से दैट इज द, इट इज द दिस इज ओनली द व्हाट हैपन, मोस्टली द क्वालिटेटिव मेथड्स, इंक्लूडिंग दैट इज द व्हाट हैपन द ज्यूरी ऑफ द एग्जीक्यूटिव पोजीशंस, opinions, as well as the Delphi techniques, as well as the poll of the sales force opinion, and the survey of the customers buying plans. And in case of the quantitative, we can discuss to that of the mostly, that is project of the past sales, and the time series analysis, and exponential smoothing, and the regression analysis, and econometric model buildings. Okay, so my dear students, so in the next class we'll discuss about the quantitative methods. Okay, and always go on your studies, get ready, and always acquainted with the subjects. Don't waste the time. In this pandemic period we have to adjust all our classes like this only. So any doubt, any things will be have on the regular Google Meet, and try to join more and more students, so that it will be encouraged for us also, and it is encouraged to you also. Okay, thanking you. Stay home, stay safe.